Number 1. 1985 Harley-Davidson FSTS Softail, $6,000, Spencer, Massachusetts. The 1985 Harley-Davidson FXST Softail is an early Softail model that combines classic Harley styling with the hidden rear suspension design that helped define the modern cruiser. Powered by the legendary Evolution-era platform, early FXST models remain highly desirable among riders and collectors who appreciate timeless American V-twin character. According to the seller, this motorcycle has been restored from the frame up and is described as a very enjoyable bike to ride. It features a 4-speed transmission, chain drive, and shows approximately 25,000 miles. With its restored condition and classic Softail styling, this FXST offers an appealing opportunity for vintage Harley enthusiasts. Number 2. 1975 BMW R90/6, $3,500, Old Chatham, New York. The 1975 BMW R90/6 is one of BMW's most respected air-cooled boxer twins, admired for its smooth performance, dependable engineering, and comfortable touring capability. These classic airheads continue to attract enthusiasts thanks to their durability, straightforward maintenance, and timeless European styling. The seller reports that this example runs beautifully and benefits from upgraded electronics, new cylinders, quality suspension components, and original BMW hard cases. While the front tire and a few minor items will need attention, the motorcycle is described as riding exceptionally well. For buyers seeking a well-equipped vintage BMW, this R96 represents excellent value. Number 3. 1972 Triumph Tiger, $5,500, Dexter, Michigan. The 1972 Triumph Tiger is a classic British twin known for its lively performance, lightweight handling, and unmistakable vintage styling. Well-preserved Tigers remain popular among collectors because they combine traditional Triumph character with an enjoyable riding experience that has stood the test of time. This example retains its original paint, seat, wheels, and exhaust while receiving a professionally restored engine in 2024. The seller also notes upgraded electrical components, new brakes, new tires, and very few miles since the work was completed. Described as ready to ride, this Tiger appears to be a beautifully maintained classic. Number 4. 1980 Suzuki GS 850G, $2,999, Sykesville, Maryland. The 1980 Suzuki GS 850G earned a reputation as one of Suzuki's most dependable touring motorcycles, pairing a smooth inline-4 engine with the convenience of shaft drive. Its durability and comfortable riding manners continue to make it a favorite among enthusiasts looking for a practical vintage Japanese motorcycle. According to the seller, this low-mileage example starts easily, idles smoothly, and shifts well. Recent servicing includes fuel system cleaning, rebuilt and synchronized carburetors, fresh fuel lines, and checked valve clearances and ignition timing. With its reported road-ready condition, this GS 850G appears ready for its next adventure. Number 5. 1971 Norton Commando, $4,000, Hanover, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Norton Commando is one of Britain's most legendary motorcycles, celebrated for its distinctive parallel twin engine, classic styling, and impressive road manners. Commando models remain highly collectible, and their enduring popularity has secured them a lasting place in motorcycle history. The seller states that this motorcycle is fitted with an 850cc engine, while the original engine is included with the sale. It reportedly runs, shifts properly, and comes with a clear title, while the paint presents well and the tires are nearly new. For enthusiasts seeking a classic Norton with added versatility, this Commando offers an attractive opportunity. Number 6. 1982 Yamaha XJ650 Maxim, $2,200, Winchester, Virginia. The 1982 Yamaha XJ650 Maxim became one of Yamaha's most successful middleweight cruisers, combining smooth inline-4 performance with comfortable ergonomics and dependable engineering. Its blend of everyday practicality and classic 1980s styling continues to make the Maxim a popular choice among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this motorcycle is in excellent condition and has received rebuilt carburetors, fresh oil and filter, a new battery, adjusted valves, and new spark plugs. It also features a Saddleman seat and comes with a clear Virginia title. For buyers seeking a well-maintained classic Yamaha, this XJ650 Maxim offers excellent value. Number 7. 1979 Vespa P200E, $3,500, Weehawken, New Jersey. The 1979 Vespa P200E is one of the most iconic vintage scooters ever produced, admired for its reliable two-stroke engine, timeless Italian styling, and enjoyable city riding experience. Well-preserved P200E models remain highly desirable among collectors and riders looking for a practical classic with unmistakable Vespa character. The seller reports that this example has approximately 7,500 miles and runs well, making it ready to enjoy throughout the riding season. A cracked windshield is noted, and the scooter is being sold with a transferable Vermont registration and notarized bill of sale if needed. Overall, it presents an attractive opportunity for vintage scooter enthusiasts. Number 8. 1970 Kawasaki A7 Avenger 350, $5,400, Ellington, Connecticut. The 1970 Kawasaki A7 Avenger 350 is a classic two-stroke twin that helped establish Kawasaki's growing performance reputation during the early 1970s. Known for its lively engine and lightweight design, the A7 remains a desirable motorcycle for collectors who appreciate vintage Japanese two-stroke engineering. According to the seller, this motorcycle has been completely rebuilt by a specialist while retaining its original paint in a chrome. It also benefits from new tires, sprockets, and a new drive chain, contributing to its excellent overall presentation. For enthusiasts seeking a beautifully restored Kawasaki classic, this A7 Avenger is an appealing example. Number 9. 1982 BMW R100 RT, $5,500, Old Lyme, Connecticut. The 1982 BMW R100 RT is a legendary touring motorcycle, respected for its smooth boxer engine, full fairing, and outstanding long-distance comfort. Air-cooled BMW twins from this era continue to attract enthusiasts thanks to their durability, refined engineering, and timeless European styling. The seller states that this two-owner motorcycle has been extensively updated and carefully maintained, including major top-end engine work and numerous cosmetic restorations. With only 22,000 miles, original paint, a clean title, and reported excellent running condition, this R100 RT appears ready for many more miles of enjoyable touring. Number 10. 1976 Honda CB750F, $5,375, Middleburg, Pennsylvania. The 1976 Honda CB750F continued the legacy of Honda's groundbreaking four-cylinder platform, offering strong performance, dependable engineering, and timeless styling. the CB750 remains one of the most influential motorcycles ever built and continues to be highly respected by collectors and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts alike. This example is described as a clean, good-running motorcycle that has been refinished in a non-original but attractive color scheme. The seller notes numerous recent maintenance items, including a new battery, drive chain, fuel system components, fresh gaskets, oil service, and new spark plugs. For buyers seeking a well-sorted classic Honda, this CB750F is ready to be enjoyed. Number 11. 1977 Triumph Bonneville Silver Jubilee, $4,500, Southborough, Massachusetts. The 1977 Triumph Bonneville Silver Jubilee is one of the most recognizable special editions produced by Triumph, created to commemorate Queen Elizabeth II's Silver Jubilee. With its distinctive color scheme and limited production, this model has become especially appealing to collectors who appreciate classic British motorcycles with historical significance. The seller reports that this example has approximately 6,100 miles and remains in very good overall condition. Its well-preserved appearance and low mileage make it an attractive option for enthusiasts seeking a classic Bonneville that is ready to be enjoyed and appreciated for years to come. Number 12. 1974 Suzuki GT250 Ram Air, $3,000, Columbus, Indiana. The 1974 Suzuki GT250 Ram Air is a classic two-stroke twin known for its lightweight handling, dependable performance, and distinctive cooling system. Often admired for its lively character and original styling, the GT250 continues to attract enthusiasts looking for an enjoyable vintage Japanese motorcycle. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs, rides, shifts, and stops very well, with professionally rebuilt carburetors contributing to its smooth performance. Everything is reported to function properly, while its honest rider-quality condition reflects normal patina for its age. With its classic character and clean presentation, this GT250 is ready for its next owner. Number 13. 1969 Triumph T120 Bonneville, $7,800, Collegeville, Pennsylvania. The 1969 Triumph T120 Bonneville is one of Britain's most celebrated motorcycles, admired for its responsive parallel twin engine and timeless styling. Well-maintained Bonnevilles from this era remain highly desirable among collectors because they combine classic British character with an engaging riding experience. The seller states that this motorcycle has received numerous reliability upgrades, including electronic ignition, improved charging components, new AML carburetors, and extensive drivetrain and suspension work. Most of the mechanical improvements have fewer than 1,000 miles of use, and the bike is described as a dependable rider. For enthusiasts seeking a well-sorted Bonneville, this example offers lasting appeal. Number 14. 1978 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH Custom, $7,500, Randleman, North Carolina. The 1978 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead represents one of the most iconic touring motorcycles of the late 1970s, celebrated for its unmistakable V-twin sound and classic American styling. Custom Shovelheads continue to enjoy a loyal following among riders who appreciate vintage Harley-Davidson motorcycles with plenty of personality. According to the seller, this custom FLH was built during the 1990s and has been owned for approximately 11 years. It is described as running well, dependable, and primarily enjoyed as a relaxed cruising motorcycle. For buyers looking for a classic Shovelhead with proven road manners, this Harley offers timeless appeal. Number 15. 1979 Kawasaki KZ750B, $700, Warwick, Rhode Island. The 1979 Kawasaki KZ750B is a classic four-cylinder motorcycle that earned a reputation for dependable performance and straightforward mechanical design. Its versatility and strong aftermarket support continue to make the KZ750 a popular choice among enthusiasts looking for an affordable vintage Japanese project. The seller reports that this motorcycle starts easily, runs well, and comes with a clean title, maintenance records, and the original tail fairing. While the brakes, a small oil leak, and a dented fuel tank will require attention, it provides a solid starting point for restoration or continued enjoyment. At this price, it represents an excellent value for classic motorcycle enthusiasts. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. If you enjoyed these classic motorcycle finds, please like, subscribe, and join us again for more vintage bike listings from across America.